Sis, ma-attend kita ka graduation ni Apo. Graduating sa grade 12. Let's go. Pogi. Gwapo si Kuya. May bayo ba? May ilis ka maglik ron?
Maantes magbalik mga ilis.
Ready na ang dress. Wala kang bukad ang akang tinago to. Ako naga-swing-swing. Hello. Nami address nini ba? Kisa di na order bunga ba? Bunga ang dress.
Ako di way ba?
Atin si nini kay Noah. Ay timog atin ka do si Noah kay Kuya po mo lang. Graduation. Kuya Pong. Si Kuya Pong pa ang driver. Driver si Kuya Pong. Si Liza na. Pretty. Taga-graduation ni Kuya Pong. Mami ang here. Naka-dress maroon. Ay ko rin gamit naka-dress. Try to be first time. First time na use it. 1-4. Nice. Diya sa dome anda nga. Graduation ni Kuya. Down. Ay nini, di ka niya makadto. Sa graduation ni Kuya. Moving up graduation ni Kuya Pong. Ready na sandala mga ganda ng mga kwan. Ready na sandala mga hello. Yan. Kuyan. Ko busy gitu. Busy ako na photographer. Ako na inagay mo picturean to daw. Why ko mo? Ato ya sagwa nag-drive. Oy Red, congrats. Ikaw. Ay, congrats sa anak mo. Ano nga so nagurang. Picture ka ni karon sini. Congrats kagawad. Kagawad, congrats. Congratulations sa duha anak. Ang ganda ato apo. Ili, congratulations. Eli. Hello, Kuya po. Eli. Naka-fall in line na kaya mga graduating. Ako kaya pinangaganda nga mas. Nagpagkupok may naka-picture sa kagawad. Hello. Na-start na ang nga marcha. May ribbon man ang lola. Thank you. Ay, nag-graduate ng mga lola. Ay, pinning of the ribbon man ang mga lola. Malantaw pa din yan. First honor, si lola. Kira-kirang guwapa nga lola. Sakit ikaw ito. Congrats sa Lola Giday. Manang Giday. Yung mga guwapang lola, may mga ribbon man na. Congrats sa mga apo. Pangga. Hello. Congrats.
Our time for photo opportunity later on.
Again, requesting everyone to please line
Each and everyone. I am named Maya Parasha.
and I am very joy Akanwati. For this momentous event, we are your master and lady of the ceremony. Let's take it from Chadwick Boseman.
Class 2010 or 2000.
Nag-start na lang graduation. March. Start na lang graduation March. Abang-abang lagi picturean lagi videoan. SB. Selfie. Hi, hello, SB. Hello. Apa na ako? Hoy. Kamu na dyan, duha? Tatlo gito mo eh. Tatlo git.
To our WebLab personnel, the principal.
School staff, parents, and partners who have been part of this year's journey.
Ladies and gentlemen, faculty and staff, parents, and dear students, good afternoon. Shirley and Agarara, let us welcome her with a round of applause. For that wonderful introduction, it's an achievement. You have your progress, your objectives, you have been your process and your voices.
Next, we have Simon Chen Reyes Boseman. Next, we have excellent performance of the office. We have Isabel Claire Northcliffe, Isabel Claire, we have her mother. May we request our guest speaker, Ms. Johnny L. Agarano, our deputy person, Mr. Samuel L. Contar,
Ceballos Eliseo Magno, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jesus Motoran, Rava Ceballos and Irene Leong Magno. Sumani Leodan Mendon, son of Mr. and Mrs. Emil Leos Mendez, and Sumani Senior and Shana Mahayan Mendon, DJ Aborda Street, Maniwan,
Ay, 5:30 p.m. ang natapos program. Ay, hapon din. 5:30 p.m.
Bandarado, Kimberly.
Birthday to all. May ako.
Mother of Mr. and Mrs. Jason Campanil Guevara and Sheila
Leaders entitled with a civil, and this will be followed with the graduation song of the grade 12 graduates entitled Moments to Memories.
Tapos na ang graduation. Grade 12 doon ang last na graduation song. Kapit na lang matapos.
Graduate with high honors. These will be followed by the pledge of alumni to be led by Sergio H. Arnau, grade 9 completer with honors. Together, Colasyon, grade 12 graduate with high honors.
My country and people, and in doing so, I shall be worthy child of my alma mater. The Calvario Memorial was chosen.
Graduates, may you remember what you have pledged and take it into your heart that no matter where life takes you, you should never forget where you came from, but strive for a place you have never been.
Finally, we've saved the best for the last, and we all know good things come to those that wait. Let us all welcome Mrs. Junarine Sartre, Board of Trustees Chairman. As
Good evening, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, proud families, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2025.
Again, reminding everyone that we will grade 12 students, parents, please prepare. Kapit-kapit na grade 12 students, parents, please prepare.
Hi, good evening. Hello. Roaming around the plaza. It's almost 7 in the evening. Hi, roaming around after the graduation ni Apo. Plaza. Pam, where are you, Pam? Almost 7 in the evening. Coming around again. Hi, Pam. There is Pampaman. Mga walker kita at night. Good evening. Hi, out kita. Happy graduation Pongpong. Nag-happy po sa beautiful plaza.